Good morning, viewers. I am Saraswati, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about DD-based video. About the topic is traffic route finding. In this traffic route finding, the problem statement is this project is very efficient to analyze the efficient traffic and then shortest traffic path for the route finding method. There are different methodologies are used. In this project we have to establish the best shortest path for finding the best route for traffic analysis project. Next session will be continued by Kamsala Devi.
Hi everyone, our topic is traffic route finder and when we discuss about problem statement, the existing road networks often cause delays due to traffic congestion, accident and roadblocks, making it difficult for commuters to choose the faster route. The traffic route finder system needs to analyze real-time traffic conditions and suggest the most efficient path. The solution helps users save time and reach their destination easily. Empathy for the problem statement. To understand users' pain points, I looked at how people usually plan travel. Users often struggle with not knowing how long a trip actually takes during traffic. Difficulty comparing traffic time with pre-flow time. Wasting time because they choose routes without proper time estimation. Feeling stressed when delays are unpredictable. Using neat graphs way to find how long it will take to reach both during traffic and without traffic. So they can choose the best route. For a simple development, let user choose a route, short time with traffic, short time without traffic. Let user makes informed travel choices. Ideas. To solve the problem, several ideas were available. Positive solution. Training UI when user entire unit is our based time calculation system, showing two-time output, traffic time, free traffic time. Correct coding user display. Option to compare multiple groups. Find ideas method. Here lightweight browser-based web path based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript that provides a simple comparison of travel time. Thank you.
Notorically, traffic finder alert protect designed to help users identify the efficient and shortest path travel. The system takes the user's starting point and endpoint and processes the information in the source map data that contains nodes representing locations and areas. In this class, we discuss many algorithms. At first, we select the Ritza algorithm, which is one of the most widely used to find the shortest path in an area. The algorithm begins by detecting the substance of the source node to zero and marking all other nodes. Most are incorrect. It is clearly as the anticipated node with the smallest node. Exclude its neighboring nodes and update their distance to a shorter path. This process defines continues until the expectation node is reached, ensuring that the loop is selected the shortest path and most follow. Once the shortest path is obtained, the webber calculates the travel time without traffic and traffic by dividing the total distance by average road traffic speed. To determine the travel time, the system has predefined or real-time traffic delay based on the road distance, ideal travel time, and realistic travel time, considering traffic conditions. This tutorial demonstrates how the application integrated map data, algorithms, and traffic information to support efficient route planning, improving travel accuracy, and helping users make better decisions before their journey.
Next testing for first one functionality test. First location input test. We have entered the current location manually on the route display. enable GPS and the app should be detected to a location. Next, enter unknown location. App should be shown location not found. Next one, destination input test. Give a valid destination. Route must appear. Give an invalid destination. Meaning for error message should appear. Next one, route generation test. App should show shortest route. App should show the alternate route if the feature exists. Check if the distance and the travel time are there. That's it.
So here I came to the conclusion. So the traffic route finders provide efficient and easy to read indications. So here, by integrating the real traffic data and by providing the shortest traffic routes and algorithm, this web app will be providing best and efficient to the normal users. By using this app, we can be able to find the two kinds of data, which is the traffic routes and the traffic lists. By this app, we can be able to find the difference between the traffic and the two different kinds of data. So this is the main theme of the app.
Okay, in this project, we have to find the shortest path between the two different kinds of nodes. Here we have used a register algorithm. In this algorithm, you have to maintain the one database. The database contains the collection of nodes which is already traversed to that particular network. Once it is traversed page, it will be stored into the table. If it is already visited page, it is deleted. Otherwise, it will be stored into the another table. Then we can easily identify whether it is visited or not. This is one of the efficient method. In future, we have to apply the machine learning, different type of machine learning algorithm. In this project, we have to compare the comparison analysis of both the register algorithm and then machine learning algorithm. In register algorithm, to improve the efficiency of the shortest path, finding the vehicles. That's all. Thanks.